From dated to luxurious, our home remodeling project. Remodeling a home can be an exciting, yet daunting task. It requires a lot of planning, patience, and most importantly, a clear vision of what you want to achieve. My wife and I recently took on this challenge, and we are thrilled with the results. Our home was built in the 1970s and had not been updated since. It had the classic brown and orange color scheme, shag carpet, and outdated fixtures. We knew it was time for a change, and we were ready to bring our home into the 21st century. The first step was to hire a contractor. We did a lot of research and chose one who came highly recommended. He worked with us to develop a plan and a budget. We decided to focus on the main living areas of the house, including the kitchen, dining room, and living room. The kitchen was the biggest project. It was small, dark, and had an awkward layout. We wanted to create a more open and inviting space that would be perfect for entertaining. We decided to knock down a wall to open up the kitchen to the dining room and living room. Once the wall was removed, the space felt much larger. We chose modern white cabinets with sleek hardware, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. We also added a large island with a built-in sink and plenty of seating. The kitchen now feels bright and airy, and it's a joy to cook in. The dining room was next on our list. It had an outdated light fixture and dark paneling on the walls. We decided to add some glamour with a chandelier and painted the walls a light gray. We also replaced the old carpet with hardwood floors. The dining room now feels modern and elegant. The living room was the final piece of the puzzle. It had an old brick fireplace and dark wood paneling. We decided to remove the paneling and paint the walls a light beige. We also replaced the brick fireplace with a sleek gas insert. Finally, we added a new sectional sofa and some colorful accent pillows. The living room is now a cozy and inviting space that we love to spend time in. Overall, our home remodel took about 3 months, and it was well worth the time and investment. Our home went from outdated and dull to luxurious and modern. We love the open concept and how the main living areas flow together seamlessly. The remodel has also added value to our home. If we ever decide to sell, we know that potential buyers will appreciate the updates and modern design. We feel that the remodel was an investment in our future. In conclusion, remodeling a home can be a daunting task, but with careful planning and a clear vision, it can be a rewarding experience. Our home remodel has transformed our dated house into a luxurious and modern space that we are proud to call home.